All right, anybody that's got one of these big light bars on a TJ or XJ or JK or whatever, they whistle. And they whistle real bad. What it is the wind gets up under this light bar right here. I know that light's pretty bad. The wind gets up under this light bar, and the cooling fins on the back of these things, here's this one here. This one's got this bracket on the sides, but they whistle. This one, I might be able to show you this one better. So when the air goes across that, it sings so bad, and I'm not exaggerating, 35, 40 miles an hour, you can't hear the radio in the Jeep. So what I did is, it's hard to see right here, but I took door edge molding, that black, this thin door edge molding, and put it on the first 4 rows, starting from the bottom up. You can see it right there, that black stuff. You can see them ends right there. That's all I did. And that's all it takes to get rid of that singing noise. I had actually thought about moving these brackets out farther to put a 1/2-inch gap in between this light bar, but it's still going to sing because the air blowing by there is so fast. Some people say if you put a bug deflector on, it'll help. My jack actually makes the noise a different tune, I guess, because of the turbulence off that jack disrupts it in front of the hood and or in front of that windshield. Oh, but anyways, that's a quick fix for that. It cost me $12 for an 18-foot roll. You don't need to put it on every one, just the ones from, say, you know, right there where it touches the glass, or touches the, you know, gets real close to the windshield post on down. You don't need to do these up here because, you know, there's really no air blasting up to get these. But I just took it for a ride for about 8 miles. I could tell the difference 1,000 feet out of the driveway. There you go.